Welcome to part 2 on the double data type. In this lesson we will look at infinity, min value, max value and NaN provided by the double wrapper class. So let's get to it. Double has a corresponding wrapper class called double with a capital D. It has static fields, in other words constants, that can be used to get the double's minimum and maximum allowable values, as well as infinity and NaN, not the number. I'm going to use J shell, and I'm opening it in verbose mode to show you examples of using these constants. Okay, yeah, I'm creating a double called a variable called positive min, and I'm using one of its constants, double dot min value, to get its minimum value, its positive minimum value, which is 4.9e to the negative 324. And here is its positive max value, which is approximately 1.79769 to the exponent of 308, and obviously it's showing in its scientific format. Yeah, I'm showing the negative minimum values, which is minus double min value minus 4.9e to the negative 324, and yeah, it's his negative max value, which I'm calling negative max value, which minus approximately negative 1.79769 to the exponent of 308. From this we can see that double can represent a number as small as 4.9 times 10 to the negative 324, and as big as 1.7 times 10 to the 308 in magnitude. As you can see, it can be a positive or negative. For instance, this value here, 4.9 to exponent of negative 324, is the smallest positive number. Here we're using the double's constant variable positive infinity to return its positive infinity, which it creates infinity, and here we're getting its negative infinity value using the constant double negative infinity. Now we're going to look at not a number. And yeah, created Double.NaN, which then it would output NaN. It assigns NaN, a Double.NaN, to the variable not a number. Take note that NaN is written small a between capitals, so in this case I would get a compiler error. It doesn't understand this constant value, the static field there. We will see more example of these constant values in the future lessons. We've come to the end of this lesson. We looked at the max value and the min value of the double class. Its value can be positive or negative, and 4.9 times 10 to the negative 324 is the smallest positive number greater than 0 that can be stored in a double variable. We also looked at the double positive infinity, double negative infinity, and Double.NaN constant values. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, learned something from it, and please don't forget to press the subscribe and notify button. I've also got a Facebook page related to this channel. You're welcome to join my adventure channel where I share photos and videos of various activities. Until we meet again in our next lesson, I wish you well and happy coding.